Hi friends, a warm welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making a flavor-packed, delicious and colorful garlic turmeric egg rice. This unique recipe is something I think you need to try, and I assure you, you are definitely going to enjoy it. It's packed with lots of herbs and spices that come together to give it its unique flavor. So please stay tuned to the end of the video, and while you're at it, please join the family by subscribing to my channel if you haven't done that already. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Okay, so these are all the ingredients we'll be using. You can also find a list in the description box. I have here some leftover rice. You can always use whatever rice that you have. But I think for this recipe, it's best to use leftover rice because the rice has had time to dry out some of the moisture. So when you stir fry it, you're going to get a much better result as opposed to using freshly cooked rice. I also have some sliced onions, some shredded chicken, eggs, diced red and yellow bell peppers, some finely chopped habanero peppers, some minced garlic and ginger, and for my spices I'll be using some dried parsley, turmeric powder, thyme, black pepper, curry powder, chili powder, 2 seasoning cubes, and some salt. Now remember that you can always adjust all these ingredients to your taste. I'll start by adding some black pepper and then some salt to my eggs. Into my pan, I'll add some cooking oil, and when my oil is hot enough, I'll pour in my eggs and begin scrambling them. With my pot on medium heat, I'll pour in some vegetable oil. You can always use whatever oil that you have. Once the oil is hot enough, I'll pour in my sliced onions and then my minced garlic and ginger. Then I'll stir. I'll give it about 2 minutes to fry. After about 2 minutes, I'll add my bell peppers, habanero peppers, curry powder, dried thyme, and seasoning cubes. Then I'll mix to combine. I'm going to let the peppers fry for about 2 minutes before adding the cooked rice. In goes my cooked rice, turmeric powder, black pepper, chili powder, and dried parsley. This is where you're going to have to put some effort in stirring your rice so that every piece is coated evenly with all the spices we've just added. This step is so important. Once you've properly combined everything, you are going to cover the rice and give it about 2 minutes to cook. After about 2 minutes, I felt it needed some seasoning cubes, so I added 1 seasoning cube, tossed in my shredded chicken, then my eggs, and I mixed to combine. At this point, I decided to taste for salt, and I felt it needed some salt. So I added a generous pinch of salt, stirred and covered for about 3 minutes on low heat. And there you have it. Our flavor packed garlic turmeric egg rice is ready. I hope you will try out this recipe. It not only looks amazing, it also tastes incredible. And I'm not even exaggerating. The rice is completely coated in this beautiful color. You'll get a little bit of kick from the habanero peppers, but the turmeric flavor is so hard to miss. The red bell peppers and the yellow bell peppers just gives this dish a pop of color, and every bite has some deep flavor. It's incredibly savory and also delicious. And that's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for your time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.